looking for a way for crushing it in volatile times. So we're talking about options trading here primarily. You can use this for stock trading in an excellent way where you don't have to worry about premium decay. That's nice, right? And you have a method here with Options Weekly Paycheck System W. Okay? And it's a system developed in this Options Weekly Paycheck style, or the Weekly Paycheck style, which is just a fun concept that we came up with that was a goal for systems development. So we wanted to aim at something in order to go back engineer to pull out combinations and solutions that would help us obtain this particular end result goal, which is what? The weekly paycheck concept. So why weekly paycheck? Because it sounds good. It sounds fun. I mean, wouldn't you want an extra weekly paycheck? But now, I don't know if that's the best terminology to use with the word paycheck, because that also has associations with a job. Now, we are micro swing trading here, okay? So it's not regular swing trading, which takes only a couple minutes a night. You were doing some moderate watching throughout the day. And here we're going to use 2-hour bars. So your watching of things is not that intense. It's pretty laid back. And you can use contingent orders to trigger you in and out via price triggers, right? So it's not that difficult at all. So we can use this method that's in this system. You can use this method, which is a strategy, within a set of system rules parameters that can be used as a strategy in combination with other optimized price events, like what? A new trend, a support and resistance point, etc., etc. Or you can just use the system as is and just simply do all the trades in a row. Okay, that's what it's designed to do. Do all the trades in a row and let the profits, just stack and net out over time. Okay, well, I mean, that's the goal. That's the desired end result, is to have the profits stack and compound over time. Now, I can't guarantee you future results, but I can say that the system is of highest probability, let's use that word, highest probability for doing really well, right? We also have some good trading business math associated with this form of trading. And what would that be? We have good profit margins. Okay, how do you figure that out? Well, in your average trade, your amount to stop loss versus the amount to profit on average is pretty good. Okay? As in, we have a lesser amount on average than other forms of trading in terms of our cost to stop loss point. And we use contingent orders or a mental stop if you're going to watch it closely. We have a mechanism for locking in the profit, right? And the average reward to risk ratio, which is has been good. Okay, so the average reward to risk ratio is good. And what does that mean? That means we have a better profit margin with this method, and also in micro swing trading in general, well, in our approach. So when you have a better profit margin, well, then it's easier to run your business. Okay, it's easier to succeed, and it's less likely for you to fail. Right now, we are talking about the markets here. The markets have some very tricky ways about the way they operate and try to, seduce us into dumb trading ideas, okay? Those emotional spark trading ideas, or those trading ideas that have certain emotional triggers that are almost always wrong. All right, lots of trading books talk about these types of topics. And so what we want to do is, yes, do the inner work over time, but we need structure. We need a system. We need a plan of action that's going to tell us what to do from day to day and from hour to hour, or 2 hours to 2 hours in this case. And we need this structure and this plan of action to also help keep us out of trouble from getting seduced or tricked or punked, whatever types of words you want to use, by the marketplace. Okay, we don't want to try to make something happen. No, that usually doesn't work out very well. We want to wait. We want to be excellent waiters for the right trades. And with Options Weekly Paychecks System W, you will have pretty frequent trades. So if you're someone who likes some good action, well, get this system. It's not day trading though. If you want a lot of action, get a day trading system, right? Let's get over here and get a quick glance. Okay, so you can see here we're micro swing. So we have profit track record samples here that aren't a lot of time. Okay, and it's because there are a lot of trades on the micro level versus the day bars, right? So you can see here's Caterpillar. Here's one example. See, 98 points in 3 months on Caterpillar. That's very, very good. So if you annualize that, so times 4, you're looking at nearly 400 points. Now, Caterpillar, with Caterpillar options, that is massive. Okay, I don't know if you know that stuff. Caterpillar is the company that makes those big yellow earth-moving machines, etc. Okay, Baidu is a popular stock for trading, or it has been at least, and it's a Chinese search engine. Baidu, I forgot how they pronounce it. Okay, so you can see here, this is definitely slower times because Baidu can put in some big moves, and so those are some examples. And here we went over to Macy's, right? Here's a sample. Now, Macy's at the time was a very low price stock, and it doesn't move around like an internet stock, or Caterpillar, puts in some good moves, but not huge moves, right? But so here on a small price stock, when you get a return, you have to look at it against the price of the stock. So you could have a very large percent return on a low price stock with a good amount of profit points. What's a profit point? It's a net profit. Okay, it's what you make, profit point in the stock. Okay, if the stock goes up 1 point and you sell it, then that's a profit point. Okay. Anyways, I wanted to just touch base on this particular topic as relates to Options Weekly Paycheck System W. Looking for a way to crushing it in volatile times. Now, how is it going to crush it in volatile times? Now we have two concepts here: crushing it. Okay. We already got a picture for this crushing it concept. And over 3 months, it has some good frequency to it, but it's not crazy. See all these trades over 3 months? Yeah. It's not wild and crazy, but it's a good pacing. And so crushing it is putting all the trades together, right? Just doing all the deals. It's pretty laid back, all right? And then in volatile times, what does that mean? Well, as of this recording, you have the markets hopping and popping all over the place, back and forth, super confused, going through some big changes and so on. So people need a plan. People need a way of playing these crazy moves back and forth. If you're playing the day bars, oh, it's pretty rough out there. Okay, but on the micro swing level, the secrets of the movement triggers are there. Okay, micro swing, what's that? That's just using like we're using here. 2-hour bars, 3-hour bars, 30-minute bars, 1-hour bars. Usually we don't go below 30-minute bars with the micro swing level because that starts to get into the day trading realm. Okay, so Options Weekly Paycheck System W is a good approach for handling not only volatile, crazy times and drama times, but in regular markets. So, these days people are looking for a plan on how do I play this crazy market? How do I play any big, massive market moves that are expected? How do I do this and put myself in a position to win with good trading math and, better, lower risk per trade and so on? How do I get in on the inside scoop of what's going to happen from day to day a little better? And the secrets are on the micro swing level. All right, so that's about it with this video. Oh, you can probably see links below if you're not already on Options Weekly Paychecks. And come on over optionsweeklypaychecks.com or click the link below. Thank you.